Why have I been this way? Through all of my pleasures, through all of the pain, I know that hard times can get in the way. But even the worst nights, there's nothing I'd change.
I've been feeling like a fool. They don't love you, they don't love you like I do.
Is there something I can do to twist and turn back the time?
Something I could say to settle your mind.
Something to prove. They don't love you like I do. Why do I feel this way? Through all of the madness, through all my mistakes, sometimes it's bad luck,